Hey everyone, this is Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. I'm back in the floor department of our luxury fifth wheels. This is a welded cage construction floor, aluminum welded cage. It comes over here. They put a 5/8 tongue and groove, real plywood. What we do is we insulate that barrier. It is a 3-inch thick floor, insulated. Then we put a reflective insulation with a Darco protective barrier underneath that. It is put on the chassis. The chassis is completely insulated. Walls, floor, your holding tanks are protected from the elements with 3 forms of heat inside that chassis barrier. So hey, ask us some questions about our floor. Give us a call at 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.